Okay, ladies and gents, welcome back to part 5 of the RC Fugly build. This is a model that's been produced by Robbie Skipton of Skip Model Designs. If you've seen the last few videos, you'll know that I'm concentrating on building up the wing at the moment, and it's almost finished now. Just needs a few little jobs doing, and then we'll be on to the covering stage. So if I swivel the camera around and show you where we're up to. As you can see, the wing is now sort of 99% finished. All that remains are the end cappings on the wings to be glued into position, just to finish the job off. Obviously both ends, one going on this side. We've also got rib cappings to be glued into position. This will give a little bit more strength to the covering and just finish it off nicely. As you can see, the centre section's been finished. This is the underside of the wing, and you can see this is the servo tray, which will drop into there, sort of thing. So that's basically how it goes. The hole at the back is the securing hole which secures the wing to the fuselage. So that's about it. So what I've done just a few minutes ago, I've glued this leading edge onto the wing and pinned it in position while the glue's drying. This has then got to be rounded off to give a bull nose. In the kit there's a template to work to. This is obviously a burnout, but when you're sanding this radius up, it gives you a good guide to how much to take off just by offering that template up, and you can offer it up all the way along just to make sure that you've got the radius nice and constant. To do that job, I'm going to use these bits of kit here at the back. First of all, to rough it out, I'm going to use my favourite razor plane. A brilliant bit of kit for roughing out. That will really shift the material really quick, and also save a lot of dust, which I absolutely hate dust in the workshop. The next, I will then hit it with my Permagrit sanding block. Another good bit of kit. If you're going to start out doing a bit of model making, I'd highly recommend you get one of these. Fantastic bit of kit there. And then we've got the conventional sanding block. This is one that I've bought from B&M or something for £1, but obviously you can make them out of a piece of wood and just staple your sandpaper to it, etc., like you used to do in the olden days. So that's about it for the wing. I have encountered a few little problems whilst making the wing. One is this leading edge piece that I've put on is actually too short by about 5mm or so on either end. Nothing I could do about that but sort of equal it out, because it goes onto a couple of slots either side of these locating dogs, so I had to put it on equal. Obviously I'll just let a little piece in there, glue a piece in, so when I do take it to the final radius, then it'll all blend in nicely. Also, on the trailing edge of the wing, this trailing edge piece that joins the back of the ribs, all of the little slots in the wood were in the wrong place, and also it was about 10mm short. So a little disappointed with that really, but it was an easy fix. All I did was to scarf joint a piece of balsa in at either end, like so. That is cut at sort of 30. That is cut at sort of 30 degrees, and then glued into position. Not a big deal, but you know, just one of them. And then I had to reposition the slots for the ribs myself, where I just sort of squared them up. Probably took me about an hour to do, nothing serious. Like I say, not a big one, but I don't know where this mistake has come from, so it might be worth checking the CAD data on that, Robbie, in future. Apart from that, the wing went together absolutely beautiful. My method of using a centre line or a datum line that I drew onto my paper there worked out really well. The wing is nice and straight, and both edges are pretty parallel within a mil, so I'm quite pleased with that. So like I say, I'm going to crack on with these jobs. I should have the wing finished today, and then it's just a matter of giving it all a good sand over just to make it nice and smooth to prepare it for covering. So that's about it for this video, folks. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you come back for the next video, we will be on to the covering, which should be quite interesting. I'm going to use the see-through type heat shrink covering, so give that a go. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.